Little Austin experiencing the pleasure of installing a Jensen V21 upper driver for the first time. He getting it. And anybody that's ever installed one of these know the pleasure. People that have never installed one of these don't understand what it feels like.
Pressure.
Huh?
Pressure.
The pressure.
John Brown.
It's a John Brown experience, ain't it, Austin? Putting in a V21, man. Yeah, man. You getting there. Yeah. Man, I know the feeling. You did it, though. John Jackson. Woo. Mike Petronelli. Good gracious. Mike Tyson. It hurts your arms, don't it? When you putting in a V21, it ain't no joke. How you calling all them names?
Mike Jackson.
And Jack Johnson. Oh, okay. Got Kemp and Little. Peace out.
Dear Magic Johnson.
Magic Johnson.